In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Screaming Frog. Keeping Screaming Frog up to date ensures you get the latest features, bug fixes, and performance improvements, which can make your crawls faster and your data more reliable. Before you begin, make sure you have an active internet connection and consider finishing or saving any active crawl so you don't interrupt your work during the update process. Start by launching Screaming Frog on your device. Open the application as you normally would and wait for the main window to load. If you've just finished a crawl, give the app a moment to settle so you can clearly see the top menu options. Next, click Help. On Windows and Linux, you'll find Help in the menu bar at the top of the application window. On Mac OS, the Help menu appears in the System menu bar at the top of your screen once the app is active. If your window is small or you're on a smaller display, you may need to maximize the app to clearly see all menu items. From the Help menu, select Check for Updates. Screaming Frog will contact its update server and quickly compare your installed version with the latest available release. This only takes a few seconds. Keep the window in focus and avoid clicking elsewhere while it checks, just to ensure you see the result right away. You'll then see a clear message indicating whether an update is available or if you already have the current version installed. If you're up to date, you can carry on with your work confidently. If a newer version is available, you'll typically see the version number and a brief summary of what's changed. Follow the on-screen prompts to download and install the update. During this process, you may be asked to close Screaming Frog so the installer can replace files. After installation, reopen the app and confirm the new version in the title bar or in the About section if you'd like extra reassurance. To make life easier going forward, enable automatic update checks so you won't have to remember to do this manually. In the same Help area, look for the option to automatically check for updates and turn it on. With this enabled, Screaming Frog will notify you when a new version is released, allowing you to update at a convenient time without hunting for the setting again. And that's it. You've launched the app, opened Help, checked for updates, confirmed your version status, and enabled automatic checks to stay current effortlessly.